Hello YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a quick little haul from the Dollar Tree. And just want to show you what I got. So I got the little soup in the mug. Thought that was kind of nice. Little cup. It says it's dishwasher, microwavable, safe. And then it also has the little vent spout right there as well. And they came in different colors, but this was the only color they had left. As well as a little inexpensive bucket just to throw on my desk. And not so sturdy, but you can throw things in it on your desk that you need as you need it. Excuse me, got another display easel in the silver. I needed some staple removers as well as some more envelopes. Got another pair of scissors. That's really for my grandson. I got some wood dowels for crafts, and then the craft sticks, 100 piece. These are in the different colors, and these are in the neutral, so I have got both of those. I want to use those for some embellishments. These are the plastic Polaroid hangers. I actually got it just because I wanted the suction cups, because I have some project I was going to make with my mini paper clips, but they were out of the section cups, which they normally sell these in the Dollar Tree, but they didn't have any, so I just picked this up. It's the same price, $1 to get 2 sets. So I went on and got those just so I can use the suction cups and my own string and own those things, clothes hangers, clothespins. Then I just got some extra little ribbon stuff they had, some black organza, a nice sheer, and that's 6 yards. We got some of the pink bling adhesive, some more of the, I always pick this up when I see it because I go through this a lot. This is it's only 9 feet too, so 1 yard. But this is the lace ribbon, and then this one was the cork. So I thought there'd be different hand try with the cork ribbon. And this is 3 yards. So I thought I'd try those out. But the other thing I thought was kind of cool, which I hadn't seen at any of mine before, so I don't know if it's new, but you know, this is the ring confetti, and it's in silver. Now I do have a Martha Stewart, I think it's Martha Stewart punch, or somebody punched it. Yes, Martha Stewart, I think. And one of my girlfriends just got married. I posted a video about the bridal shower party, and we used my punch to make a whole bunch of these in gold, but they had these in silver. So I just thought I'd get a pack of these for anything. Couldn't beat it. It's a lot of them, because it was time consuming trying to punch one out at a time. But they also had some baby confetti in boy and girl, which I hadn't seen. So it has strollers, the word, bottles, pacifiers, baby girl, baby boy. So this is some nice table scatter. So 2 of my girlfriends got married within the last, one last been a year, and the other one a couple of months, and I got another one that's getting married. So hopefully some babies will be coming soon. We'll see. But anyway, so I just thought I had that on handy, because I know they probably won't have that again. Anyway, so thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.